Hey guys, it's Figure Fam, and today we are going to be doing a
Trader Joe's
Thanksgiving
mukbang. Okay, so we have turkey, sweet potatoes with pecans, cranberry sauce.
Don't trust sweet potato.
They're so
Trust
good.
it, it's amazing.
Christian and Gabby have rice, and
I got everything.
yeah.
I trust everything but cranberry sauce.
I
Me
love
too.
cranberry sauce. This turkey is bomb, right?
Why do I have a spoon? I'm a fucking 2-year-old.
You're forced to give Daddy a spoon. It's in there.
And on top of that, it's a gravy spoon. Like, what am I, animal?
So we got such good stuff today at Trader Joe's.
Such good stuff.
So many snacks.
And the good thing about it was, we went by ourselves. It was sort of kind of
Nice.
an
I
accomplishment.
got to go down every aisle.
I hate you.
I got to look at everything. It was nice. Okay, what's your favorite Thanksgiving dish to eat on Thanksgiving?
Turkey. No, yeah, turkey.
I don't know. Rice? What Thanksgiving about?
Stuffing.
I just started eating stuff when I met you. I'm being robbed.
It's so good. What?
Being robbed. Watch this. Yeah, I see.
And I made my own gravy. It came really good.
What?
What?
I thought Trader Joe's gravy.
No, I made this myself.
Oh. What am I,
The
chocolate level like Mimi says?
So how was school?
Good.
What's up, baby?
Good. That's all we get. It was good.
Right. Tell them about your field trip. Christian got to go on another field trip yesterday.
Because of me.
Because of Roberto. For the
So to say
foundation.
thank you.
No. Tell them what you did.
So, I went to Start and Strike, and so I was bowling. Right when we got there, we were supposed to bowl. And then I got 101 points.
Oh, cheers, cheers, cheers. Cheers to early Thanksgiving. How should
Cheers.
dumbass water.
Cheers.
Here. Everyone cheers? Here. She's kicking me. Here, hold this. Cheers.
She's like, nah, I'm thirsty.
Gabby.
And what else, babe?
Cheers. No, I'm not giving you something, bro. No, can you stop touching food?
There's more.
This is hand
And you
in his
have
butt.
some
Is
on your
that
plate.
Can I have that?
Right, not
Not
anymore.
anymore. You didn't put your butt finger all over my food. I don't watch. Oh my
She's
god.
giving back.
This is not. I'm not fucking charity. This is giving back. Care?
Nummies?
Not exit.
She has.
This is what charity feeding me is. I don't want. Never stop.
So about the cutest Santa Claus
Santa Claus what?
from the thrift store.
It's already broken. That is already broken.
No.
He lost his hat.
Did he?
And then on top of that,
Then that's your fault because he was fine
I'm
when I
looking
saw
at
him.
it. I'm like, where's his arm? She was like, Stone Man's don't have arms. Like, where have you been? Stone Man's don't have arms.
They have. We could throw some
I hate you.
sticks in there.
Okay, cool. This is good dinner. Go away.
No, don't do that.
Here. Okay. You can have my choice. Go ahead. Knock yourself out. I don't work hard for no reason. Cool. What?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I feel like I'm a bird. I get fed by my dog.
Oh, what a sweet
Cut.
girl.
Thank you.
Why?
Cut.
Why?
Cut you up.
Cut.
Oh, we can't just cut.
What do you think? You're a movie director? Calm down, bro.
Cut. Cut.
Gabby, your fork is
Cut
taking
it.
my eye out.
We went and saw The Grinch on Friday.
Yep.
Legit. Not really.
I liked it.
Oh,
He
good.
fell asleep.
I was dozing.
Christian, did you like it? I liked it. I thought it was
And my
cute.
cousin came. Gosh.
And he's a new subscriber.
Stop the gosh.
So
Real name, Dominic. He was actually in Fast and the Furious. Just go check him out.
You're an idiot.
Gabby, stop! I don't want.
Just eat it.
Kristen, it's hard to eat something when someone's poking in your face.
Thank you.
What should she give you? Spit?
Thank
You're
you.
good. You're good, Mom.
Like, that's what you have to do, and they'll leave me alone.
How? She just keeps digging in my butt.
Yum. You try it.
Nothing.
That's so
Delicious.
good.
Here, look. I try, you try. Ready?
You only want purple. Roberto, stop.
You don't know my name. Who are you?
So what else did we do? Anyway, so we went to IKEA.
No one cares about that girl. What, are you gonna give her a shout out?
I'm gonna give a shout out to Jamia. Was that her name?
Yeah.
Jamia ruined everyone's life.
Stupid little girl. But we waited for an hour and a half for pretty much no reason.
So I was on the bus.
Sit down. I can't see you.
So I was on the bus. I was gonna go home, but they were not here.
Oh yeah.
She had to go to the doctor, so I had to go back to the front office. Wait there for like 30 minutes.
How come they didn't call me?
Sit there for 30
say that.
minutes. Then they called Anna. Then she came, and then
Back to support my
she told me to go get her phone if it's there. And then I had to come back. She said I couldn't go outside with her, and then I couldn't go outside by myself. And then I
That sounds such a...
had to go back to the office, stayed there for a little bit, and then she came back in and got me. Then I went.
So you had a rough day, pretty much. Sorry. That was good. We should have had a bigger one.
They don't have big chicken.
They had bigger one. It was by pound.
Wait. It's not even Thanksgiving yet.
Tell him, girl.
We have our Christmas tree up. We still need to decorate it though.
Our Christmas tree is a crackhead tree. Life is so rough.
So I hear this.
I sold my wash and dry, which was shoddy. Shout out to Nina. Face.
The
She
one you
bought-
were making fun of for an hour.
I wasn't
He's
making
talking,
fun of
looking at, scrolling through her Facebook pictures, talking shit about her.
It's a lie.
Like,
Nina,
that's
if you
rude.
see this, it's a lie. It's a lie.
I'm
She's
sure
fibbing.
She won't see it.
You understand me? She was in her car. Her husband was...
Was that her husband?
I don't know what the fuck he was.
He's like, what?
He was...
Like, bro, what are you on? Because I
Yeah,
want
right
it.
there.
Like, what?
But she gave us $50, and me being the person I am, if you give, you will receive. I had it for 50. I gave her $30, and I kept it for 20. Nice people get nice things.
Weakness was
Mommy?
cake.
Pound cake.
Mommy?
Pound cake, right?
I didn't see that movie.
Yeah, you were sleeping.
Apparently, I was left out.
You're sleeping.
When?
We rented the movie, and you're going.
Oh, it was so dumb.
No, she was like watching it for a second, and then
It
next
was boring.
thing you know, she wasn't snoring. She was using her phone. And then I was like, "Why don't you watch the movie?" She said, "Okay." She puts the phone down and fall asleep. I was like, "Fuck it, I'm done."
Clearly, I
I'm
wasn't
done.
meant to watch it.
I'm not gonna hear babysit someone to watch a movie.
Me and Daddy were awake.
Gabby
Me?
likes the potatoes.
I love movies.
Me
Movies
too.
is my thing. This one? Why are you watching that? It's such a stupid movie.
I like good movies. He watches the dumbest movies.
Every
Like,
movie's a good movie. If you pay attention, you
okay,
understand
what's your favorite movie ever
My favorite
that you
movie?
could watch over and over?
Bronx Tale.
Oh, never seen it.
Ooh, that was a badass
What's your favorite movie?
Kinda.
Don't got it, because she don't watch
No,
movies.
I used to.
No, you.
What? Little Rascals?
Oh, I like Little Rascals.
Hate you.
Oh no,
We'll be here all
She's
day.
out.
no, for the girl on the train. That
Oh,
was
that was a good
so
movie.
good.
That was a good movie.
I like that.
I give you that was a good movie.
Good. Yeah.
I thought you were gonna say Mean Girls. I was like, oh, you're gay.
No, well that's a good movie too.
That was
But
so lame.
what else? What other movies are good?
Every movie's good. I can mention so
I like
many
Cat
things
in the
on
Hat,
movies that are
Toy
delicious.
Story. And The Grinch. And I liked, what else?
What's happening here?
I watched
baby.
Little Rascals over and over.
Oh yeah.
And
Did you?
Yeah.
yeah.
You used to watch. Oh, and Matilda. You used to
Oh
watch
yeah,
Matilda every day.
And Home Alone.
1.
And 2.
Nah, New York, I didn't like it that much.
Really?
Nah.
Okay.
They showed Trompeta's face in there.
And Jumanji.
Oh yeah.
The real one. Was legit.
The real one is good. Yeah.
What's your old school favorite movie? By the time I got to the old school favorite movie, I didn't say your ultimate favorite movie. Alright. Best animated movie. I'm gonna count to 3. You gotta think fast. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Lion King. What?
My nigga!
What? You didn't say anything.
I know, but Lion King, I was gonna say Lion King too. When I count to 3, alright, we're gonna blur it out. We're gonna say our favorite Italian dish.
What's
Italian.
Italian dish?
Like Italian food. Okay.
Like,
We don't have to have the same one, but I know what you're gonna say.
Okay. 1,
2,
Lasagna.
3. Chicken lasagna.
Chicken parm.
I said lasagna.
Oh, lasagna is good.
Mine's chicken lasagna.
Yeah.
Okay, on the count of 3.
Mom.
Yeah. Yeah.
I know.
What's your favorite any kind of food? Like ever. Any kind.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Tacos.
What were you saying?
Rice and beans.
I said tacos.
I
Me and Mom said tacos.
Tacos are my favorite.
I already know that I say tacos. They're so lame.
That's my best.
Every Friday when we're about to go, can we go to the Mexican spot that we go to?
So good.
This one, as soon as you get there, can I get nachos and cheese?
So good. We love tacos and Mexican food. What else?
I haven't had real Mexican food.
By the time-
tacos was good today.
By the time I count to 3,
We went to a taco truck today with legit tacos.
Okay.
And it
Like
was
real
so
tacos.
good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Number 3, which couch do you like better out of this one or this one?
Well, what?
Which
This one or
couch
this-
do you like?
Okay, better.
1, 2, 3, that one.
That
Cat or dog? 1, 2, 3, dog.
Dog!
So why do we have a cat?
Kill him!
We're back.
We're back. The camera cut off, so now we're gonna try these. Some
Our
snacks. These are caramel waffle cookies filled with salted caramel ice cream. So who wants one of these?
I'll
take one of those.
Oh, they melted.
Oh, shit.
We were in the car for a long time, but I'm sure they're still good.
Yeah.
Sure. Here. Just try it.
Oh, those little baby cookies. Little bitties.
Mmm. And we have this. They're good.
Triple.
Really? This is like a tin of chocolate. This is gonna be gone by tonight.
2, 9.
I love chocolate.
You're what? Hints, hints.
It's good.
It's delicious. It has some sort of like caramel nougat.
Oh.
I can't stand you.
Caramel nougat. Who said nougat?
How do you have it on your nose?
More? What do you want? Ma.
Ma. Here. Chocolate?
Don't call defects on this. We
It's
love our
just a
kids.
little bit of chocolate.
We love our kids.
You're disgusting. It's gonna drip. Drip, drip.
Go back. Hey, don't be weird.
Don't be weird. Subscribe to our channel. Comment down below what else we should do.
Subscribe. Subscribe. Subscribe.
Are you-
Shout
I
out
will see you now.
to that man that said
He didn't say
do a bird
shout out.
challenge.
He said shut
Oh
up.
yeah, who was that?
Yo, I don't know who you are. You
But
straight.
that's real weird.
You legit. You
No,
real.
that's weird.
Real.
That's creepy. Actually.
No, it's not. You real. Listen. You ain't gotta go, but you gotta get up. Gabby say bye-bye.
Subscribe to our channel.
Gabby say
We just
bye-bye.
want 5,000 likes.
Bye-bye.
That's it.
Likes on this
Say bye-bye.
video.
Christian,
Bye-bye.
say bye.
Bye-bye. Gabby goes,
Remember when we
"Mwah."
kept on saying bye?
Bye.